phone or your iPad and watch the video. It is a very nice video actually. You can find even the same idea with different shapes, or you can find the same shapes. It depends on the lesson. Now let's read the question together. Draw lines to show two different ways to combine the shapes on the left to make new shapes on the right. So we are going to use those shapes on the left to create those shapes on the right. Okay, now let's think about it. Here we have two squares and one rectangle. Let's think about it together. What are we going to do? Actually, this shape, we can call it no more a square. I believe it's time for you to know that this is a rhombus. But I will explain it later in another lesson. What are you going to do? We have here, we will call it now squares, and we have two squares, one rectangle. How can we figure it out? I know it's tough question, but I know that you are smart enough to know it. Now, if we have two squares here, and we can draw lines, not only one line, we are asked to draw lines, so we can show two different ways to combine the shapes on the left. So we can do it like this. So here we have a square, and here another square and a rectangle. So here I have a square, rectangles. And believe me, it's so important to understand the difference between square and rectangle. Again, the rectangle has two long, two short sides. The square has four equal sides. Now we need to use other lines to show another different way to combine the shapes on the left to make new shapes on the right. We can do it like this and like this. So we have here a square, here another square, and in the middle we got the rectangle. Now the next question. What are we going to do? Here we have two squares, two triangles.